Hello everyone, this is Electrical Engineering. Today's tutorial is all about understanding the Energy Commission practical questions for the May-June. This is the May-June question, which is past question. So as you can see, we are here to show you how you can do the wiring, okay? And then if you are able to do this wiring, I assure you that you can do the November wiring, the November-December wiring that we are about to do for the Energy Commission. So I'm here to show you how you can do the wiring. Okay. So the question says this switch, which is 1-gang 2-way switch 2. This is the 1-gang 2-way switch 2. So this one is called, if we check our diagram, the diagram that they gave is S1, S1. So the S1 and then the S1 is controlling lamp A and then B. Okay, so we are here to show you how you connect these lamps. And then the materials that we need now is our 1.5 insulated cable, which is our PVC insulated cable 1.5. So this is my neutral PVC insulated cable neutral. So we are about to connect the neutral first, and then as for the neutral, it is common. So we'll be connecting it from this place where the lamp is, and then to where we'll be fixing our photo cell. Our photo cell, it needs neutral. Our photo cell needs neutral. So what we need to do now is we are about to start our neutral cable. So we are connecting our neutral cable first. So we'll be starting from this place. So from the lamp A to B. So I hope you are seeing how I'm doing the connection. So I'm starting with my neutral cable first, okay? So make sure that you are on safety, okay? You are on safety. You are wearing your safety gloves, your safety shoe, or your safety boot. So I'm looping my neutral. You need to loop. So this my neutral, loop my neutral. So what we need to do now is to loop to the other side. This is how it is. So this one is going to the power supply, the neutral power supply, as you can see, and then this one is coming to this place. So I'll be looping it here because as for the neutral is common. And then we bring it here again. So here we need our neutral here, but do you know what we'll do? We'll just pass it through this place and then bring it here. So remember that the photo cell needs neutral. The photo cell needs neutral. So I hope you are seeing how I'm doing the connection. And we'll bring it here. Then we will return it back again. So when we return it back, we are sending it to where the photocell will be. Okay, so we are going to connect our photocell. I'm going to connect the neutral for the photocell. It's just a simple wiring. Okay, so this is how it should be. I hope you understand. To this place, to our photocell. So now this is our connection. So from the power supply to the neutral, and then to the neutral we've looped, and then we've looped again, and then we've brought it here where the photocell will be, and then here we've looped, and then we've looped. So it ends at where the photocell is. Okay, so this is a common neutral wiring that I've done. Neutral wiring, as you can see, this is the neutral wiring. So now what we need to do is to take our power supply. So our power supply from the power source to the switch here. Okay, so what we need to do now is to take our power supply. So the power supply, so this is my power supply. This is my power supply to this place. So as you can see, this is my power supply. This is my power supply from our power supply to my 3x3 mattress box, and then I need my neutral. Sorry, I need my switch cable from our lamp A, and then B. Then we'll connect it to our mattress box, which is our switch, where we'll connect our switch. So see how I'm going to do it. So this is my power supply, and then from this place from this place so as you can see how I'm doing the wiring. So remember that when the cable is coming, you shouldn't bring it to where the first you brought your power supply. You should bring it to the second one, because this connection is a control connection. It's a control connection. And then remember to loop the cable, the switch cable. Remember to loop it, okay? You need to loop it. Yeah. So this is how it should be. So now as you can see, I'm done with this place. Okay, I'm done with this place, and then I'm done with my switch cable, and then my neutral here. I'm done with the wiring here. Okay, so everything is intact here, because the question says switch S1 is controlling A and B. So here will be a control. If you off it here, you can on it here. You can off it here, you can on it here. So it's a control. So as you can see, I'm done with this place. So I need a striper cables, 2 striper cables to pass through this 3x3 mattress box. Okay, so what we need to do now is to take our 2 stripers cable So that's two striped cable. We'll be using a black cable, which is neutral cable for the two striped cable. Okay. So first, we need a two striped cable. From this place, a two striped cable. So as you can see here, I have three cables here. In one box, three cables. And then the second box too, I have three cables. So as you can see, I'm done with this connection. The question one, I'm done with the question one. You understand? I'm done with the question one. Now I'm moving to the question two. Okay, I'm moving to the question two. So the question two, what they are saying now is to connect the lamp CD. So that lamp CD, these three switches, which is intermediate switch, is controlling these CD lamps. Okay, so this CD is S2, S2, S2. It's controlling these two lamps, which is CD. Okay, so first we need our power supply to this place. So we'll be looping from this our power supply. We'll be looping our power supply from this place to our here, our 3x3 patterns box here. Okay, so what we need is to take a cable and then we'll loop from this place to here. Okay, so we'll loop a cable. So this is our power supply. Okay, so now we've gotten our power supply and then we are passing it through our trunking to this place. You understand? So we've brought it here. Okay, so we've brought it here to our destination. This we've brought our power supply here, and then as you can see, our power supply, we need a power supply to our photo cell. We need a power supply. We need to give our photo cell power supply. So we'll loop to our photo cell, our power supply to our photo cell. Okay, so this is how it should be. So this is how it should be. So our photo cell, it has a neutral and then power supply. And then now our photo cell, what we need now is to get a switch cable here. Okay, so I'm connecting the switch cable for my photo cell. So this is my photo cell lamp, and then here will be the photo cell, where the photo cell will be. So I'm connecting my switch cable for the photo cell. So here's my switch cable, because that's what the question says. So if you watch my previous video, you see what the question says. Okay, so this is how it should be. So this is my switch cable. Okay, so this is my switch cable. This is my switch cable. As you can see, I've connected my switch cable and I'm cutting it. So here too, I'm done with the wiring here. Everything is intact here. Everything is intact here. So I need to connect my switch cable. Okay, I need to connect my switch cable. So for now, Here is my power supply cable. I need to connect my switch cable for the lamp, this CD switch cable, and then I'll connect my stripers because here is intermediate. So in the intermediate, I need to connect 4 stripers cables. So from here and then from here. So here will be 4, here will be 3, here will be 3. Okay. So first of all, I need to connect my switch cable for CD lamp. Okay. So I'm connecting my switch cable first. So this is my switch cable. My switch cable, and then I need to loop. I need to loop my switch cable. Okay. So my switch cable will end at my 3x3 patterns box here. And I need to cut the cable because the cable is too long. Okay. I hope you understand the wiring, because the wiring is common, easy, just easy wiring. So you need to understand the question. If you understand the question, you can do the wiring. Okay. You need to understand the question very well, because the question is part of the examination. If you understand it, you can pass. So here too, I'm done with the connection. So as you can see, I'm done with the connections here, and then I need to connect my stripers cables, and then the stripers, I need to use the black cable. I'm using black cable for stripers, which is 1.5 insulation cable. Okay, PVC 1.5 insulation cable. So I'm connecting my stripers cable. So remember, here will be 2 stripers cable here. Okay, so I need another one here. There's another one here. So I've gotten my 3. So as I told you, the cable of the switch S1 and then S2 is three. Here is three cables, two stripers and then one power supply. And then here is one switch wire and then two stripers. Okay, so here is three, and then here is one power supply and then two stripers. Okay, and then here is four stripers here, and then here is two stripers and then one switch cable. Okay, so as you can see, we have three, and then 4, 3. Okay, so now I'm here to show you how you can connect your socket outlet. Okay, socket outlet. So this double socket, and then we have our live, neutral, and then earth, and then the cable is 2.5 insulation cable. Okay, so if you are going to write the energy commission, do not let you use red and black cable, because now they've changed the cables. They'll let you use blue and then brown, and then the earth is green, yellow. Okay, so whenever you are going to write the energy commission, don't buy black cable or red cable for the energy commission examination. Okay, so you just use blue and then brown. Okay, and then green and yellow. So let's move on. So first of all, we are connecting our socket outlet. Okay, this is our double socket outlet. So we are connecting from this place. Okay, so as you can see, we've brought our cables in, and then we'll pass it through our trunking. Pass it through our trunking. And then we'll bring it here. So as you can see, we need to pass it through our 3x3 buttress box here. So this wiring, if you watch it carefully, you can pass your energy commission. Okay. So as you can see, this is how it is. Then we need to loop from this place to our power supply. Okay, so the 3-2 is going back to our power supply. Okay, and then that will be the end of our wiring. Okay, so this is how it is. So we are sending it back to our power supply. So I need to draw the black small. So this is how you should get it. Okay, this is how you should get it. So sorry for this one. I need to loop some here. Okay, I need to loop some here. So what we will do now is we'll draw it back to the power supply, and then when we are done, we bring some cable here, and then we'll loop from this place. Okay, so let's go. So this is how it goes. Make sure you let the cable get inside carefully.